everyone, I'm Dr. Natalie Theroux, a physical therapist and the director of our Osceola Clinic with 21st Century Rehab. A lot of people have pain or get injured with doing household chores. I have my two helpers here, Polly and Alex. They're going to be helping me show you the incorrect and then the correct way of doing 5 different household chores. I'm going to step behind the camera and be your narrative, and Polly's going to show us how to make a bed. We'll step over here to the bed, and you look at how Polly may be making that bed incorrectly. So take a look at Polly's back. It's very slumped over. She's really reaching far, and look how close her feet are. Now, if she were to do this correctly, she's going to flatten her back out, stagger her feet a little bit, and maybe even use an arm to brace herself to reach across the bed. Much better for making that bed. Thanks, Polly. He's going to show us how to sweep a floor. Now, to see it a little bit more incorrectly first, you can see that Alex's feet are together, and when he's trying to sweep, he really reaches way further than he should. A better option would be to have him walk where he's sweeping so that he can get to the areas better, and maybe even to switch hands so he doesn't always use one side. Thanks, Alex. Another thing we often hear is how much back pain people have with vacuuming. Take a look at how much Polly's really reaching when she vacuums. A much better option would be to walk with the vacuum, as you can see Polly doing here, and look how straight her back is. She's not reaching forward or bending, and maybe even switch hands here as well. That will keep both sides even. Now let's head back over to Alex, and we're going to watch him wash dishes. Now take a look at how rounded his back is. His feet are together, and look how forward Alex's head is. Now a better option would be to have him open the cupboard below and just prop a foot in there. That'll help take some pressure off his back. He also leaned his pelvis and his legs against that countertop. That's going to help take that balance aspect away as well. Notice his head was forward, and now he's going to pull it back just a little bit. Much better. That way he doesn't put strain on his neck. Now while we're here, let's go ahead and talk about putting your dishes away. So not a very good option would be to reach way outside of your base. So he's way too far there. Another bad option would be to maybe not be in the center of where you're supposed to be. So what if Alex had to reach into the other cupboard? That would be way too far for him. Now, a better option for him would be to step where he needs to put that plate. And now you can see that Alex has much better form as he's closer to the cabinet and even using both hands. So now you can see a couple different ways to do chores better at your home, and in hopes that you won't have any extra injuries or any extra pains. But if you do, don't forget to give us a call. Thanks.